Data is everywhere. From financial transactions to claims to inventory, data is constantly being collected. And harnessing that data is the key to unlocking your business's potential. But data aggregated by Power BI can feel just out of reach, stuck behind an interface that requires IT assistance. This slows down your ability to gain insights, make business decisions, and share reports with clients and stakeholders, dulling your edge in a fast-paced industry. Extend your reach and reclaim your data with GreenView, an application that allows business users and their selected stakeholders to get in, get the data they need, and get out. It's that easy. GreenView removes the navigational complexity of Power BI and provides a clean, easy-to-use, customizable interface that puts the data right into your users' hands. With GreenView, you can also put data into the hands of your customers and clients with configurable, white-label reports that can be tailored to maintain brand integrity and with flexible hosting and deployment options, all while keeping your data secure through user accessibility controls so you can determine how and which reports users have access to. The key to propelling your business forward lies in making sense of all your data quickly and efficiently so you can make smarter decisions, put them into action, and tap into all Power BI has to offer. Want to unlock the power of your data? Turn over a new green leaf with GreenView. Contact a Greenleaf consultant today.